Ready to turn 800 rupees into your first robotics project? Let's walk through everything in this powerful starter kit from Once the Robot and what you can build with it. At the heart of the kit is the Arduino Nano, your tiny but mighty controller. Connect it with the included USB cable and start programming right away. Jumper wires link every part together, like veins in a living machine. Next, we've got 2 gear motors with wheels, perfect for building a basic robot car. Mount them onto the chassis frame and you've got your foundation. So now it's time to use the motor driver module to control direction and speed. Think of it, like a gearbox for your bot. It really helps you manage how your robot moves and responds. Now let's give your robot some eyes. The IR sensors help it follow lines or detect obstacles. Perfect for your first autonomous robot. Need feedback or interaction? Plug in the LED and even connect the LCD display to show data like temperature, text, or sensor readings. And speaking of sensors, the moisture sensor lets you monitor soil levels. Build your own smart farming system. From robotics cars to smart irrigation, this kit gives you a full foundation in tech for just 800 rupees. It's not just a kit, it's your first step into the world of innovation.